Let me show you how you can upload images in Mixboard. Click the plus on the lower left hand side, and here you'll find upload. If you click on that, it's going to open up your file explorer and you can upload any image that you want. So I'm going to simplify the image that I would like to upload. Let's go ahead and use the picture here of myself. I'm going to click on this picture, click on open, and you can see right away that it's going to upload in Mixboard. So this is going to allow you to work with images that you want to if you don't want to generate something. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the image right here, and as you can see, I can now work with this image. So I can just say change the color of the shirt, and I can just go ahead and just use the AI to basically generate whatever it is, and it's going to generate a new image with whatever prompt I've asked in Mixboard. And that's pretty much how you can easily go ahead and, let's say, use Mixboard to upload images. And as you can see, image is now generated. Change the color, I could give it whatever color I want, but I just give it a random prompt here. But that's it, very easy and very simple.